In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off two-factor authentication in Instagram. Now, I don't recommend you guys turning off two-factor authentication for obvious security reasons, but if you must, I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is opening up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, just go to your profile page. And after you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, after you're there, just tap on Account Center under your account. And now you're under Meta Account Centers. Now, if you scroll down a bit and under Account Settings, you'll see Password and Security. Tap on there, and there you will see under Login and Recovery, you'll see two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication and select Instagram. Now right there, you'll need to just select the type that you have. That is, do you use your SMS or WhatsApp as your second authentication or different method? So I'm just going to do SMS or WhatsApp. And after doing that, just toggle this button off. Now confirm that. And after you've confirmed it, you have now disabled your two-factor authentication on Instagram. So that is basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.